relationship that we built without. I cannot work with this thing now. I'm just kidding. Everyone.
Hey everybody, just Randall here today at SeaWorld San Antonio. Now today I'm here because they are having a past member preview for their summer shows. Now they do have, I'm not sure if you call them new or returning. I think these are shows that they had like maybe several years ago. But we'll be seeing the Lions Tonite show, as well as the returning RhythMotion Ocean Parade, Shamu Celebration Light Up the Night, and I believe this is brand new, the illumiNight drone finale. But with that, let's go wait because it is 6:10 and they start letting people in at 6:30. But let's get going. I was wrong, they were letting people in already. Got a Grackle enjoying some nice popcorn right here. The best meal of the day. So we just entered in, they handed us a nice, it's a little windy. Let's see if I can hold this straight. They did hand us a schedule. So 6:30 is the Sea Lion show, 7:30 the parade, 8:20 the orca show, and 9:05 the drone finale, if the weather permits it. Got some gray clouds looming overhead. When we talked about this, they recently kind of painted this. You got little sea creatures up and down this walkway here. First up, we have the Lion Tonite show. Should be starting here in about 12 minutes.
Flippers up for the national anthem.
We have the SeaWorld app. An app? An app? No map. No map. Oh, crap. Exactly. Everything is through the app. Well, when it works.
Watch in astonishment as our orca leaps into the air and touches the... Watch the orca touches the ball. Ladies and gentlemen, all over the world, check out that instant replay. Let's hear it for Shamu!
All right, so we just got done with the Lion Tonite show. Pretty fun, I thought. I never saw the previous version of it, but this one, I don't know, there was quite a few laughs in it. They made fun of SeaWorld themselves, of course, and I'd give it, like, definitely come out and see it. It's a fun show, laughs, and if you sit close enough, you get splashed. If you're gonna see it though, arrive a little bit early because they do have a little pre-show before. That's pretty funny. But now we are just waiting for the parade to start here. All right, just finished with the RhythMotion Ocean. Not the same as last year, but still great. Still great to catch at night. I did get splashed with water though, so be careful with that where you're standing. But now we're checking out Shamu's celebration, Light Up the Night. All right, we got our seats. We're right outside of the splash zone. So hopefully the orca, hopefully the orca knows how to aim.
Shamu's celebration Light Up the Night is the place to be. This is SeaWorld's biggest bash in 60 years. That's right. And we're celebrating by splashing the night away right here at Orca Stadium. You know it. This party is coming alive tonight. We're gonna dance, jam, sing, and splash along with one of the biggest kings of the ocean. Let's hear it for Shamu!
All right, we're making our way down here
Darn.
for the drone show. Hopefully it's still going on. It's a little windy. All right, so we just got done with doing the drone show and the Shamu Light Up the Night show. Both very great, but let's start off with talking about the Shamu Light Up the Night show first. The Orca show is great, very energetic, a lot of dancing. They do multiple splashes, so if you're in the splash zone, be careful. Luckily, we're sitting a little far back, and thank you to the person who told us, like, hey, scoot in a little bit, you won't get splashed here. But the drone show, That was amazing. Would highly recommend if you're a pass holder, if you're at SeaWorld San Antonio, stay for it. I'm not sure exactly what days it's running. It's definitely on the weekends and probably Fridays as well, maybe Thursdays. We'll see about that. But they are amazing, just the different creatures they make out of it. But yeah, we saw like a sea lion head, stingrays, orcas, dolphins, sea turtles. Just throughout the whole show was amazing. I have heard that the Beluga show is gonna be new for the summer, as well as hydropowered is coming back. That doesn't start until June 12th. Now there will be fireworks this weekend, May 23rd and 24th, just weather depending. I'll put the times on screen now. I do want to quickly add that AquaGlow will be starting up again this summer. It will be starting Friday, June 5th, run to September 5th. Just on select days, this typically will be like probably Friday to Sunday. But it's a fun event, definitely worth checking out. We'll probably make a video on it sometime later in the summer. But thank y'all for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please like it. If you want to see more of stuff like this or any adventures we go on, please think about subscribing. But until next time, stay hydrated and we'll see y'all. Bye.
Ha ha ha!